In this episode, we take you to the Sunyani West 24-hour economy market located at Odumase in the Bono Region of Ghana. Using the aerial drone footage and a ground walk tour, we will explore the market and its surroundings while highlighting one of Ghana's flagship economic initiatives. The 24-hour economy market is designed to support continuous commercial activity by creating an environment where the business can operate day and night. The initiative aims to improve access to markets, increase productivity, create employment opportunities, and strengthen local economies by extending business hours beyond the traditional working day. This market is expected to provide modern trading spaces for farmers, traders, transport operators, food vendors, wholesalers, retailers, and many other small and medium-sized businesses. With improved infrastructure, security lighting, storage facilities, and better accessibility, traders will be able to serve their customers around the clock, helping to reduce post-harvest losses and improve the movement of goods. Our drone footage provides a comprehensive aerial view of the market layout and the surrounding Odumase community, while the walking tour offers a closer look at the facilities and the progress made so far. Projects like this have the potential to stimulate economic growth, create sustainable jobs for the youth, and attract private investment, improve livelihoods across the Bono region. As the market develops, it is expected to become an important commercial center for serving Odumase, Sunyani West Municipality, and the neighboring communities.